How to count stitches or rounds or rows. Before you make the final slip stitch to join this round, always count your completed stitches to confirm they match the number specified in your pattern. Each individual, fully closed top V counts as one valid stitch. Starting at the first stitch of the round. As a general rule, joining slip stitch and turning or standing chains are not valid stitches and do not count toward your total stitch count, unless your pattern diagram explicitly states that they count as a valid stitch. Count each full top V along the round. Stop counting at the last working stitch of the round. If the final number matches the pattern's specified stitch count, your round is correct. If not, locate missed or extra stitches before starting the next round. Next, let's count how many rounds your crochet piece has. Look at the right side of your piece. Each completed round or row forms a horizontal line of stitches. Round 1. Round 2. Round 3. Count each full horizontal line of stitches from bottom to top.